folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have featured the beautiful Roby Rigel cook stove right here. Now this model's kind of unique because it really doesn't come fully assembled. The firebox is going to come on its own, and you're going to have to assemble the legs onto the stove as well as the warming oven. Today's video I am going to show you guys how to put the legs onto your Roby Rigel cook stove.
Shoot S.
Happy? Need one more? Think we're off it.
No, we're still on. Let's see. Sure.
I hope that today's video was helpful for you guys. If you like these videos, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Liking my content helps me out so much, and I very much appreciate it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel if you haven't already. God bless. Have a wonderful day.